If you possess a Galaxy S23 Ultra and have been looking forward to the impending Galaxy S24 Ultra with bated breath, this may be about to change. That's because early benchmarks for the next big Samsung flagship phone have surfaced online, revealing exactly how quick and powerful it will be. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is an intriguing beast in a variety of ways, but the CPU that will power it is likely to be towards the top of the list. While the basic Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will both feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in certain areas, the Exynos 2400 will be used in others. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, is likely to feature Qualcomm's most recent and best technology regardless of where it is marketed. That's extremely excellent news if these new benchmark scores are any indication, since it seems that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will outperform the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that came before it, which also happens to be the processor found within the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The first Galaxy S24 Ultra benchmarks were discovered by Sam Mobile and us through the Geekbench CPU benchmark database. Over the years, that database has provided us with early views at numerous new phones, and it seems that they have done so once again. The phone in question is a Samsung device with the model number on the screen belonging to the US variant of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, revealing some top-notch scores, those scores beginning with a single-core performance score of 2,234 points and a whopping 6,807 points in the multi-core department, both of which are significant numbers. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is no slouch, but its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 scores just 1,895 points in the single-core test and 5,062 points in the multi-core run. That's a substantial improvement over last year's model, and it'll be obvious in day-to-day usage when the two phones are compared. Also, bear in mind that these are simply test prototype units, so the final product could have even higher performance and efficiency scores. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.